Product description. Your baby has started to walk. It's time to child-proof your house. The extra-wide Flexi Baby Gate hits all the criteria with an all-steel construction, installs quickly by either pressure mount or wall mount and is adjustable to accommodate door openings between 28 to 76 inches wide and stands 30 inches tall. Space between the bars are 2.5 inches. The gate door is 16 inches wide. Please read the gate will appear bent before installation. There will be a gap at the handle before installation. Both of these concerns will be eliminated once the gate is properly installed in your doorway. Please measure your opening prior to purchase to ensure proper fit. Regalo Extra Wide Flexi Baby Gate fits openings between 28 to 76 inches wide and stands 30 inches tall. Easy-to-use lever handle features a one-touch release safety lock. Convenient walk-through design. Wall-mounted setup. Made for children 6 to 24 months. Can be used for medium to large dogs. What's included in the box? 1 Regalo Extra Wide Flexi Baby Gate, 3 panels. Instruction manual, 4 wall mounts with screws. Assembled product dimensions, LXWXH, 76.00 by 2.00 by 31.00 inches. Regalo Flexi Extra Wide Baby Gate. The versatile Regalo Extra Wide Flexi Baby Gate is an essential tool for homes with young children and unusually shaped or angled openings to keep your child safe. The Extra Wide Flexi Baby Gate can be arranged into a variety of ways to fit odd-shaped openings spanning 28 inch 76 wide. Extra Wide Flexi Baby Gate can easily be moved around and configured to be a fireplace barrier, a gate for a super wide space, or a barrier to block odd-shaped openings. If you need to create a larger gate, more 24-inch extensions, above and beyond what is included, can be added to make the gate an astounding 12 feet wide. Sturdy all-steel construction. Includes 3 24-inch panels, can fit openings 28-76. Easily mounting to the wall. Wall mounting brackets add 2 inch to each side, for total. Stands 31 inch tall. Easy lever-style handle with sliding release safety lock. Convenient walk-through design. Made for children 6 to 24 months. Walk-through door designed with a double lock lever handle allowing adults to quickly pass through. We design and create products that we use every day for our children and grandchildren. Safety, quality, and affordability are at the forefront of every conversation. We only create products that we see value in and would buy for our own children. You'll find that all our products are created with 3 core components: safety, simplicity, and security. To set up, simply install the mounting hardware to the wall and slide the gate into place. Standing 31 inch tall. Flexi Extra Wide Baby Gate Quick Installation. The Extra Wide Flexi Baby Gate can easily be moved around and configured to be a fireplace barrier, a gate for a super wide space, or a barrier to block odd-shaped openings. Flexi Extra Wide Baby Gate Packable, portable, convenient. When you need to take your safety gate down, the Regalo Extra Wide Flexi Baby Gate easily lifts in and out of the mounts and folds up accordion style, making it easy to put in your closet before guests arrive. Flexi Extra Wide Baby Gate Packable, portable, convenient. The gate's convenient design allows adults to walk through by simply sliding to release the safety lock and lifting up on the handle. The 16-inch door opening provides space for you to walk through, an invaluable benefit compared to stepping over the gate every time.